If filters leak, check the seal ring, reposition it properly, and retighten the housing. If you notice leaks at the adapter, don't worry. Let's fix it step by step. Use a wrench to tighten the adapter connection clockwise. This often stops minor leaks. If leaking continues, disassemble the joint. Check the gasket for damage or misplacement. If the gasket is intact, wrap Teflon tape clockwise around the threads. Reassemble and tighten. After applying tape, retighten the connector firmly. Test for leaks again. For additional support, scan the QR code, email, or call us. We're here to help.